online shoppers, I have a really handy little sewing kit that I just ordered. This little sewing kit is put together by Fiskars, and they are an industry standard in excellence. Fiskars is a name that is synonymous with great cutting tools. I've taken the wrap off, and you can see it's got this really nice little clear case. You can definitely connect a carabiner to this if you want to clip it to something, but it has a nice little clasp right here. And when you open up your sewing kit, you have the essentials of the trade. This is a great little measuring tape right here. You just press the button right here. It'll hold, it'll lock, and then when you press the button, it comes right back into place. Now these are Fiskars embroidery scissors. These are great for snipping threads, and they also are really great for getting into little tight corners. Along with the kit, you're also going to get 2 Fiskars marking pencils. These actually have a special construction. This little thread right here is like your pencil sharpener, and once you've gone through all of this white marking chalk, all you have to do is pull this and it creates a rip, and it will help to unravel this material that's wrapped around the marking chalk. You've got 2 of those in the kit. You get 4 really nice little spools of thread in 4 very common colors: brown, black, gray, and cream. But this is actually dressmaker's tape, and what it's used for is hemming edges. You would put this inside of your material and fold it up, and when you iron it, these little fibers in here actually melt into glue, and they adhere the 2 sides of the material together that you folded around them. These are so handy, and it's nice to have them inside. You can also use this as a stabilizer. So if you are sewing in a button, you might want to put a little bit of this in between the 2 layers of cloth that you fold to help reinforce it, and a little bit of heat with an iron will melt the glue and make everything stick together nice and sturdy. As well, you get this handy little package of accessories: dressmaker's pins with orange heads. You get some backup buttons, a needle threader right here, and safety pins. You get several little needles. You have anything you need to make quick repairs. You have a scissors, you have a measuring tape, you have 2 standard marking pencils, you have fusible webbing that you can use to reinforce a hem or to help something stick without having to sew it. All you have to do is iron it. And you also get 4 spools of thread in very usable colors. If you are looking for a great little sewing kit to keep on hand and have all these essentials all in one place in a great handy little box that travels well, you can certainly tuck it into just about anything. I'm really impressed with this little kit, and I'm fairly certain that this is going to be a family favorite at my house.